are you at? Do you even know? Carter's, yes. We're walking this down there with the old lady on the bag. Yes, sir.
This out white boy party. I come straight out of Tunica, Mississippi, baby. Straight out of Tunica, Mississippi.
Boy, pull that goddamn teeth. Boy, I see it all.
Welcome to goddamn Mississippi, boys.
Well, I'm finna ride this thing today, you hear me? I'm riding it today. Yes, sir. Well, you heard it here, boys. Look how the whole group, we saw him pull in from over there at camp. I had to come all the way over here to get it. They pulling in with them CanAms. Oh! Oh, that sounds expensive. Oh! Well, you guys didn't make it far.
It seems to get a little sticky over here.
Oh, get sticky over here? We are at Carter's today recording this promo video for Carterfest 2022. If you're new to the channel, this channel, we do everything different, guys. We don't follow what everyone else is doing. We're innovators. So if you like the content that I'm bringing to this channel, go ahead and like this video, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. It is greatly appreciated. By dropping a comment and subscribing, it tells YouTube that you guys are liking my videos and will push my videos to more people. So it'd be greatly appreciated if you guys could do that. Quick plug on my merch. I will have my merchandise here with me. So if you do want to save on shipping, go ahead and order online. And what I'll do is I'll set something up so that you guys can basically order online and say for pickup, and I'll bring it to Carterfest for you. Save you a couple bucks on shipping. Again, head over to hanginwithpa.com. Check out all the merch. We got hoodies, t-shirts, koozies, wristbands, e-lanterns, stickers, and of course, all the merch is fire. We're out here to drop the information, Carterfest. March 11th through the 13th, guys. You do not want to miss this. $51,000 in trophies and money on the line. They're throwing some big money out, and I did just see a post, I believe, a couple days ago, $2 grand. They're giving away $2 grand for cleanest, I guess, ATV side-by-side, People's Choice Awards, essentially. So that's, I mean, what, $53,000 now? And it's free to enter. All right, guys, so I'm thinking $2 grand for People's Choice for show and shine. I might not win, but it's free to enter. Free to enter. It's also free to subscribe to this channel. Doesn't cost you a thing. So guys, if you've never been to Carter's, and you're thinking to yourself, PA, I've never been to Carter's, you know, how's the park? What does it look like? You know, because I can watch all your riding videos at Carter's and see that it's a good time and they have good mud holes, but what does the park look like? Well, I got an answer for you. Even better yet, I got a video for you that you can watch. I'll link it above me now. Look at who pulling up. Look at this
out
guy.
here at Carter's Off-Road Park, just hanging with PA today, boy. Gonna go out here and show y'all how it's done.
I was like, who the There they go. All right, guys, let's go over the events scheduled for Carterfest. So at 8 p.m., you have the barrel race. For the ATV class, you have first place $500 in a trophy. Second and third place both get trophies. For the side-by-side class, first place gets $500 in a trophy. Second and third place are getting a trophy. 9:30, the tug of war. Again, no entry fee, guys. First place, $250 in a trophy. Second place, just a trophy. That's for the ATV class. So for the side-by-side class, it's the same thing. First place, $250 in a trophy. Second place, just a trophy. 44 and down truck class, first place, $500 in a trophy. 44 and down truck class, second place, just a trophy. 45 and up truck class, first place gets $500 in a trophy. 45 up truck class, second place gets just a trophy. All right, guys, so moving on to Saturday, 10 a.m., we have the truck bounty hole. Again, no entry fee. 44 and down truck class, first place, $1,500 in a trophy. Second place gets a trophy. 45 and up, $4,000 in a trophy. Second place just gets a trophy. At 11 a.m., you have the rock bouncers. Also at 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., you have the Carter Show and Shine. First place, $2,000, a lot of money. So 3 p.m., this is where it kicks off. Stage 2 bounty course, again, no entry fee. ATV class, first place, $4,500 in a trophy. Second and third place of the ATV class just get a trophy. Side-by-side class, first place, $5,000 in a trophy. Second and third place, just a trophy. 7 p.m., Carter's Kids Bounty Hole. Again, no entry fee. First place, $1,000 in a trophy. 12 years and under. And the four-wheeler has to be 650cc and down. 8 p.m., you have the ATV and side-by-side Bounty Hole. Again, no entry fee. Stage 2 ATV, 34 and down. First place, $2,000 in a trophy. Second place, trophy. Third place, trophy. Stage 3 ATV, 35 and up. First place, $2,500 in a trophy. Second and third place, just a trophy. Stage 2, side-by-side, 35 and down. First place, $3,000 in a trophy. Second and third place, just a trophy. Stage 3, side-by-side, 36 and up class. First place, $3,500 in a trophy. Second place, a trophy, and the same for third place. And it was great to see my buddy Mike. I'm recording the schedule, and I see this blue Tahoe just coming towards me. I'm like, man, I'm trying to wrap this video up because I still have some more footage I need to shoot. I'm like, what is this? Why does this guy keep coming towards me? I know you see me holding the camera. Of course, it's my buddy Mike, so it was always awesome to run in with him and his girlfriend Emily. So that was a pleasure hanging out with them for a couple minutes. They're out here riding, having a good time. Park is for everybody, not just people that ride ATVs. You can ride, you know, sport quads and things like that. We're gonna end the video here. Hope to see you guys at Carterfest 2022. Your boy will be here. See me go ahead and speak. And that's just another day hanging out with your boy PA. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.